Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create a Proforma invoice directly from a sales order, a quick and accurate way to generate GST-compliant documents with minimal effort. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the Invoice Create module from your dashboard. Step 2. From the available options, select BizDocs. Step 3. To create a new Proforma, choose Proforma from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Now, select the sales order number for which you want to create the Proforma invoice. All key details will be auto-filled from the selected sales order. Step 5. You'll see that the seller details are already pre-filled. If the ship from location is the same, just tick the checkbox, same as seller details. Step 6. Click Save and Next. Step 7. Your buyer details will also be pre-filled from the sales order. To keep the ship to address the same, tick Same as buyer details. Step 8. Click Save and Next once done. Step 9. The Proforma details, such as terms, dates, and references, will be automatically filled based on the sales order. Review the data and click Save and Next. Step 10. All products listed in the sales order will be auto-added to your Proforma invoice. Step 11. In the Other Details section, you can manually enter the demand value and any advance payment received, either manually or by selecting it from the linked bank account. Step 12. The remaining payment will be auto-calculated based on your entries. Step 13. Click on Save Proforma to finalize the invoice. Then, hit Print to view and download the Proforma PDF. And that's it. Your Proforma invoice is ready in just a few clicks, accurate, compliant, and streamlined. Creating a Proforma invoice from a sales order has never been simpler. With auto-fill details and smart calculations, Intelligere saves you time and ensures precision every step of the way. Start building error-free Proforma invoices today, only with Invoice Create. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.